Do you know many people are having trouble with opening the door of their Candy Aquamatic AQUA 1142 D1 washing machine after washing? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Wait after spin. Immediately after the spin phase, be patient for up to 2 minutes before attempting to open the door. Step 2. Try opening door. Use the finger bar within the handle to try and open the door. Step 3. Inspect washing filter. Examine the filter, making sure there's no foreign substance or material blocking it. Step 4. Balance your laundry. Confirm that your laundry is balanced inside the washing machine. Step 5. Turn off water. If the door remains closed, switch off the water supply to your washing machine. Step 6. Check drainage hose. Check for any obstructions in your drain hose and make sure the water supplies are functioning. By following these steps, you should be able to open the door of your Candy Aquamatic AQUA 1142 D1 washing machine after washing. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Candy users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.